Hey guys, so in my last video what I did was I made this platform bed right here. So what I only established the platform. I didn't do the mattress or anything yet. But today we're going to work on the mattress, and hopefully it'll be a really quick, easy, cheap solution. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so what I have here is just a cheap exercise mat, and this mat is actually really thin. It's, I guess that's just a 1 inch mat, maybe 1.5, maybe two. I don't know. I don't know what they would call it, but it's very thin, and it's actually not sleepable because it's too thin. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the foam and add some extra foam to it, like I did to uh, these two already. So you could see it's already much thicker than just this foam that it came with. And what I use is over here is this memory foam topper that I had laying around. So what I did was I just cut a piece and basically doubled up on it. So now it's closer to 4 inches, and that hopefully will be enough for a soft, comfortable bed without being too thick. Because I don't want it too thick, because my head's going to hit the top of the roof if it's too thick.
All right, so I put that original foam back in, and here is the new foam. And what I did was I cut it slightly smaller than the original foam so that it just gives me a little bit more room to zip it in tight, because it's going to be a tight fit. It certainly wasn't made for a double stuffing or anything like that. It'll take some work to get in. All right, so now that I got it in flat and even, I could zip it up. And yes, the zipper is going to be a little tight, like I said, because it wasn't made for double pieces. But there, you could see it's nice and soft, and it's sleepable now.
All right, so the idea is that these two pieces would go like that. Um, but and this side needs to bend this way so that the chair could also go up. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut this piece right here so I can put it on the leg side. So unfortunately, when I do cut this, it will leave a little hole, not a little hole, very big hole in this. And we'll see how well I sew it back together. Oh boy, it's going to be tough to recover that. But we'll see what I can do. But for now, we have the foundation of my bench. This is going to be very nice. All right, so even without sewing, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this back in, and we're going to see if I can tape this together. Okay, so I want to see if I could just kind of Mickey Mouse this and just kind of tape that in right now. I think it'll be okay. Let's give that a shot. All right, remember I said this is going to be easy and inexpensive? Well, I'm sticking to my word. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Don't know how well it'll stay, but it doesn't look too bad. All right, let's try it out. All right, that's the last extension. Let's give it a shot. It's actually pretty comfortable. It's not too bad at all. I think it's going to be okay. I feel like I'm not hitting the wood. I'm not bottoming out when I'm laying down. When I sit right here on when all my weight's on my butt, I can't feel that I'm bottoming out here in the wood, but you know, that's going to be all right. Let's check the reclining. Let's check the recline. All right, so the recline works out well, and the seat belt. That's gonna be fine too. All right, one last thing I need to do is, because this material is so slick, you know, it slides, so I think I'm going to put some Velcro on the bottom side so it holds its position better. So I got this Velcro, and it's both the pads are there, so this is the other end. So I'm going to take out the protective sticking. And then I'll fold this down. I only got one chance. All right. Get it to stick. All right. And now, even though this is a smooth material, it won't slide off my bed. And since it's Velcro, I can rip it up, of course. All right, let's let the sticker cure. Put the leg extension back into the storage position. Okay. All right, for this leg extension, I'm going to leave it right here as a backrest. So when I'm sitting at it in bench mode, I have something soft to lean against. I'll probably we can put some Velcro right here also to hold it in. All right, so I got a little Velcro pad there, like that, will just kind of keep it in position. It's not like it's going to hold it real tight, but it'll keep it from sliding. All right, so there you have my really inexpensive, really easy to do foam mattress, bed mattress, extension backrest for my platform bed.